Hey guys, what is going on, my Poke family? Sorry for not uploading in quite a while. I just took a break for a little while. But today we have got the Paldean Fates Quaquaval Premium Collection. I have all three of them. I'm just going to make 3 separate videos to give them each their own spotlight. So we'll be starting with Quaquaval. And seeing what is in this bad boy. Get out all of the Pokemon now. Code card. And you get 3 promos. Okay, let's start with the Quaxly Shiny. And the Quaxwell. And the Quaquaval. And you get your Jumbo. This guy's a little too fancy for my liking. Set that aside for later. Let's see how many packs are in this bad boy. I think you get 8. 4, 6, 7, 8. And there's even more in this. Ah, that's right. You get the little case for the 3 of them. It's kind of cool. Feels pretty nice. It is a little magnet case. Slide the cards in. Put that back. And as long as you don't mess it up like I am. Come on, Quaxly. There you go. It's actually really nice. I'll probably put something different in here, maybe some other better water Pokemon, but that's pretty cool. And your 8 packs. I'll also be adding a Elite Trainer box so we could have a decent opening. I still need a bunch from the set, of course. It's going to take a little while to collect it all. We need a lot of the special illustration rares. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, we got a shiny right away. And a Raichu Hollow. The baby shinies are going to be the hardest part of collecting the set, but I still really want that Mew or the Charizard. We got a Noibat. Oh, speak of the third, I was going to say the Iono, and there we go. We just got a top 5, I think, card in the set. That is such a dope card. Very nice. Okay, this box was already totally worth it. I know I need this one, so I'll sleeve this one. Very nice box so far. We got a Mime Jr., a Lechonk. My dog is whining in the back. We got a Vroom Shiny, Routes. I think I need the Vroom. Got a Fido. Wow, we keep getting Professor's Research. That's like the 3rd one. Got a Magmar, Pineco, and a Gardevoir EX. Charmander, Iono, Oh, Entei shiny. There we go. That's definitely a top tier baby shiny. Definitely a big one in the set. This is a really good box. Really good box. And our last pack from this. Got a Cottony, a Palmy, and an Executor. These you pull so often. There's only 3 of them, so seems like you get them so fast. And of course our ETB here. Set that aside very carefully. Get out your packs and gently set that down. And we should have 9 more packs. Come on, let's get that Charizard. And that Mew. Let's make this the best one yet. Come on, come on. We got a Drifloon. I know I have that one. Varoom and a regular holo. Oops. Whimsicott, Wugtrio, and a Goldango. We got some in here. Professor's Research, Lechonk, and an Esparthra. Nest Ball, Chimecho, nothing in that one. Bisharp, Gengar, and a Heat Rotom. Alright, dog, this is the last time I make a video with you in the room. Got a Paldean Clodsire. Nothing in this one. Wooper. Ooh, we got a full art Paldean Student. There we go. And our last pack here. We got a Northern full art shiny. And that is it. Well, that first box was amazing. It's going to be quite hard for the other two to beat it, but if we get the Mew or the Charizard, that's going to be all that we have for you tonight. And I'll see you guys back in the next one.